Hi, welcome to the CodezBuzz, and in this video I will discuss with you the Java switch statement. How Java switch statement is work, that thing I will discuss in this video. So the switch statement I just discussed with you the previous video. The switch statement works like as an option. If you have a option A, then it will execute something, and option B, then it will execute something. Like that, it will work when you have a five option. You choose one option, and after that, this option have another result, and B option have another result. Like that, it will be work. So switch option you just like that. If you have a multiple, just like in year 12 month in 12 month every month have a particular day somewhere in 30 31 and somewhere 28 days. That is the unique feature of the switch statement. So just discussed about that. The Java statement execute one statement from multiple condition. It is like if else ladder and statement. The switch statement work with byte, short, and int long enum types, string, and some wrapper type like byte, short, int, and long. Since Java 7 we can use string with switch statement. These are the point of the switch statement. How the point for the purposes of the switch, there can be one or a number of cases values for switch expression. That means you can express the n number, either n number of expression 1 to n, depend upon you how much statement you written, that depend on you. Then case value must be switch expression type. Only the case value must be literal to constant. It does not allow variables. Yeah, it always be a constant. If it is a constant, then it comes, then it is showing the result. If it is variable, then it has so lots of things that's not happening in this uh, switch statement. So there is the case value must be unique. The case value always be unique. If it is duplicate, not be compiled, it is showing compile time error. Then the Java switch expression must be byte, short, int, that thing. The wrapper types enums and string. Each case statement can have break statement, which is optional. When control reaches the break statement, it jumps the control after switch expression. If break statement is not found, it is execute the next case. So case value can have default label, which is optional. So we just certainly the switch statement we written. Then there is the I just share you say the examples like that. It will be work and executed. So I just go for the Eclipse and run the example. Wait 1 minute. I'll first check Eclipse. Yeah, okay, Eclipse is open. So I just copy the video, copy the codes, and paste in here for the purposes of fast. So I just okay, that was is enough for here. So I just go for here and create a new class in control statement. It is control statement. Then I just new, and there is new class is equal to, this is the switch statement. Okay, here is the switch statement. Come into the switch statement, then paste it here. And day of week, there is you can return a lot of things like 3 4 5 6 like that. I just copy these things again and paste here. We for 4 5 6, that one is control 7. Then I just change something like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's there is 7 day. If you day of week is a variable and declare is 3, then print it is showing the Wednesday, showing it Wednesday. When it is 7, it is showing the day Sunday. That means it have option. Then if we declare 8, it is showing some error like invalid day, because it is print the default value. If it is case is not matched, then it will be print the default value. So switch case work like that way, so don't worry about it. You just write this way, and this is the way to declare the switch statement. So go on the our file, and we just key point of the cases, how cases will be expressed and how it will work. This is the main thing of switch statement. So you just learn this thing and you trial multiple, like try multiple video like years, months, like that way you can use and you can enjoy the coding of the switch statement. So don't worry about to, if any doubt, anything else, so just let me know in comment section. I will send you, and any doubt I will give you the solution for that purpose. So see you in next video. And